How to fix age restriction on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can fix age restriction on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, sometimes what happens is that if you went ahead and then opens up the TikTok application, you try to conduct some activities, but it simply said to you that the age is actually restricted. Now, it is because your TikTok account is actually underage. So in order to fix this, whenever you signed up previously for TikTok, you might not have paid much attention to your date of birth and you simply put a random date of birth, and now you're regretting it because obviously there isn't a direct way to change our date of birth in TikTok. It's not as easy as you do it on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and other social media applications. TikTok does not have a definitive option to change your date of birth. So instead, what we have to do is, in order to change our date of birth, we have to contact the customer support. In order to do that, go to your profile page from the bottom right. Then you have to tap on the three lines from the very top right hand side and go to the option called settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, here you want to scroll down to the bottom, select the option called report a problem. Once you go to report a problem, tap on the edit button on the top right. Again, you have to tap on the same icon from the top right corner again, and you'll be taken to the feedback page. Now here you have to simply let TikTok know that the date of birth is incorrect on your TikTok account, and now that you simply want to change it, you're ready for any type of verification process that TikTok might ask you forward going from this day. If you have a few screenshots of the errors, you can go ahead and include those and then just tap on the submit button. But personally, this is a long process, and so instead what I'd recommend you do is, if it's a fairly relatively new account and you don't have much content posted on it, then I'll just recommend you try to create a new account with an updated date of birth. So if you don't have much followers or likes or much videos uploaded, you can just create a new account with an updated date of birth, because trust me, that is going to be more easier than having to contact TikTok and then going ahead and changing a date of birth accordingly. Hopefully this video answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.